What's up, traders? Okay, so it was an FOMC day. Usually these days can be extremely tricky and choppy, and it's always better to wait for the announcement, let the market show you its direction and only then move. Otherwise, you're going to be chopped to pieces. So we had this uptrend. See this channel? We had this channel, and that was the first break of the channel. And then I saw this two-legged move with almost exact measure move. Let me show you here. So it was clear channel, leg, break, another leg. Let's measure the move. Exact measure move, almost to the tick. And then we had here a beautiful setup. So we had the first entry, second entry, an immediate failure, and immediately after the failure, a double trap with a beautiful signal bar. I went long here and I took 10 points here. Let me show you again. Channel, break. I'm expecting a new high, so at least to test the high. And then leg, break, another leg, exact measure move. Second entry long, failure, and a double trap. Very strong momentum. 10 points. Beautiful trade. What I'm telling you guys all the time in the live stream, when you do catch one, be a pit bull. Hold on to your winners. Otherwise you are nowhere. So guys, we have a Discord. We trade live every day from the opening bell, 9:30, for about an hour and a half, sometimes even 2 hours. We take the trades together. It's fun. So you are more than welcome to join us every day at my Discord. You can find the link at the description below and also at my banner. You can ask questions. I try to answer everything. We take trades real time, no demo, no 2020 hindsight, everything real life. So that was my only trade today, and it was nice.